I've treated thousands of seniors, and I can tell you this with absolute certainty. The biggest reason people lose their independence isn't memory loss or heart disease, it's weak legs. Once your leg muscles disappear, getting out of a chair, climbing stairs, or even walking across a room becomes a battle you can't win. By age 70, the average person has already lost nearly half of their muscle mass. And yet the food industry keeps telling you it's just aging. That's a lie. I've seen patients recover strength, not with pills or powders, but with the right foods. Foods the trillion-dollar health market doesn't profit from. I've even been pressured to keep recommending expensive supplements instead of real solutions. But I refuse. Because the truth is simple. Your muscles are starving, and only 10 specific foods can bring them back. Today, I'm counting down the 10 foods every senior needs to keep their legs strong. Number 2 is so powerful that it reversed frailty scores in just 12 weeks. All studies are linked in the description. Before we start, drop a comment. How old are you and where are you watching from? I read and reply to every single one. Let's dive in. Number 10. Lentils. Small, humble, but absolutely devastating against muscle loss. 1 cup of cooked lentils delivers 18 grams of protein and 15 grams of fiber. That's enough to fuel muscle repair, steady blood sugar, and keep you energized all day without crashes. A 2020 review in the British Journal of Nutrition showed that plant proteins from lentils protect muscle mass just as effectively as meat when consumed regularly. They're also loaded with leucine, the amino acid that directly signals your body to build muscle. Lentils cost pennies per serving and work in soups, stews, or salads. Unlike expensive supplements that strip away natural cofactors, lentils deliver protein, minerals, and fiber in one complete package, exactly as nature intended. Number 9. Eggs. For decades, seniors were terrified of eggs because of cholesterol myths. Modern science has demolished that outdated advice. Each egg delivers 6 grams of high-quality protein plus leucine, the amino acid that flips your muscle-building switch on. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed older adults who ate whole eggs after exercise built 40% more muscle than those who only ate whites. The yolk contains vitamin D, choline, and healthy fats that work with protein to repair muscle tissue. At less than 20 cents each, eggs deliver more nutrition per dollar than any supplement. Current research confirms 1 egg daily doesn't raise heart disease risk for most seniors. It feeds your muscles exactly what they're craving. Number 7. Pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are massively underrated. Just a small handful delivers nearly 10 grams of protein, plus magnesium, zinc, and iron, minerals your muscles and nerves require to function properly. Magnesium helps muscles contract and relax smoothly. Without it, seniors experience cramps, weakness, and restless legs at night. A 2018 study in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society found that seniors with higher magnesium intake had significantly greater muscle mass and strength, even with identical protein intake. You can eat them roasted, toss them into salads, or blend them into smoothies. For seniors fighting muscle loss, pumpkin seeds prove small foods deliver massive results. Number 6. Wild-caught salmon. Salmon is far more than healthy fish. It's a powerhouse of protein and omega-3 fatty acids that older adults desperately need. A single serving provides 22 grams of protein plus EPA and DHA, which fight the chronic inflammation destroying your muscles and joints. Chronic low-grade inflammation is one of the hidden forces accelerating muscle breakdown. A 2015 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found seniors combining omega-3s with protein built 2 times more muscle than those eating only protein. The fish fats amplified the body's ability to use protein for growth. Choose wild-caught salmon whenever possible for higher omega-3 levels and fewer contaminants. Even canned wild salmon is excellent, especially on a fixed budget. Number 6. Cottage cheese. 1 cup of cottage cheese packs 25 grams of protein, making it one of the richest, most affordable muscle fuel sources available. What makes it unique is casein protein, which digests slowly over several hours. This slow digestion means your muscles receive a steady stream of amino acids for hours, preventing muscle breakdown that happens overnight or between meals. A 2018 study in the British Journal of Nutrition showed that older adults who consumed casein protein before bed experienced 30% less overnight muscle loss. For seniors where every gram of strength matters, that's a massive difference. Cottage cheese also provides calcium for strong bones and vitamin B12 for healthy nerves. Unlike sugary yogurts, it doesn't spike blood sugar, making it safe for diabetics. Number 5. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes deliver complex carbohydrates that provide steady energy for walking, climbing stairs, and staying active without brutal sugar crashes from white bread or processed foods. 1 medium sweet potato packs 540 milligrams of potassium, which keeps nerves and muscles firing smoothly. A 2019 study in the Journal of Nutrition and Healthy Aging found seniors consuming higher potassium had 19% lower risk of mobility decline over 5 years. That's food changing outcomes. Number 4. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt has nearly twice the protein of regular yogurt, about 17 grams per serving, plus probiotics that support gut health, critical for absorbing nutrients that fuel muscle tissue. A 2016 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found older adults who added Greek yogurt daily had measurably better muscle thickness and leg strength. Number 3. Oxtail. Oxtail is an absolute hidden powerhouse. Slow-cooked oxtail is rich in collagen, protein, and minerals like iron and phosphorus, all directly supporting leg strength, joint health, and tissue recovery. 1 serving provides nearly 30 grams of protein, plus collagen that repairs connective tissues, tendons, and ligaments, keeping your knees and hips stable. Number 2. Seaweed. Seaweed might seem unusual, but for seniors, it's one of the most underrated strength sources. Varieties like nori, wakame, and dulse are packed with iodine, magnesium, calcium, iron, and trace minerals your muscles and bones depend on. While protein builds muscle fibers, these minerals act like spark plugs, keeping muscles firing properly. Number 1. Bone broth. Bone broth is one of the most powerful foods seniors can use to actively fight muscle loss and keep legs strong. When simmered for hours, it extracts collagen, gelatin, calcium, magnesium, and amino acids like glycine and proline directly from bones. These nutrients don't just feed muscles, they literally rebuild connective tissues, cartilage, and joints, supporting every step you take. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button, share it with a friend who needs stronger legs, and subscribe for more science-backed senior health strategies. Your future isn't written yet. With the right foods, your legs can carry you further than you ever thought possible. Thanks for watching.